Hello and welcome to Module 6, where we will cover our packaging. Every decision we make is through the lens of our company values and ethics, and our packaging is no different. One of the largest factors when it comes to choosing our packaging, from our product boxes to the material protecting the product when orders are sent out around the world, is the impact on the environment. We always strive to use locally made, recyclable and non-toxic packaging and stick to our reduce, reuse and recycle criteria across all the materials we use. This can sometimes mean there is a bit of a balancing act between minimising our carbon footprint, using recycled and recyclable materials, and sourcing materials that fit what we need it to do and look lovely without compromising our values. For example, we sometimes get asked why we don't use glass for all of our products instead of plastic, which is a decision that very much demonstrates the balancing act. Making recycled plastic actually requires a similar amount of energy input to making virgin glass, and considerably, about 7 times, less than virgin plastic. Plastics are also lighter to transport and safer, especially for children's products and use in the bathroom. It's also important to note that the vast majority of cosmetic glass packaging is made outside of the UK, and we can't bring ourselves to cart glass bottles all that distance when we have a great recycled plastic supplier so close to home. To minimise our carbon footprint, 98% of our packaging is made in Europe. Almost half of our bottles and jars and all of our product boxes are made in the UK. Our plastic bottles are made out of recycled materials. They used to be old milk bottles. Each product's packaging is considered individually, taking into account where it is likely to be used, how often, and what the best functionality will be. So as you can see, a lot has to be considered before we decide which route to take. To keep our products safe, you may have noticed we pack them in boxes filled with white, squishy nuggets. This is called flow. It is often mistaken for polystyrene. They are actually starch-based and biodegradable. You can even dissolve them in water, so you won't find these floating in our oceans or piling up on a landfill. We also try to make the experience as eco-friendly for our customers too. When our products are finished with, the pump dispensers can be cleaned fully in warm, soapy water, then rinsed, drained, and allowed to dry. And then they can be reused with the bottle around the home, or can be recycled as general plastic waste in the bin. As our brand grows and we go in different directions with our materials, you can be assured that every decision is thoroughly thought through. Striking this balance isn't always easy, but we always aim to think of the bigger picture and make sure the mark we leave on the planet is a positive one.